In this video, I will show you how to fix lagging or slowing down issues on iPhone after last iOS update. To fix lagging or hanging problem on your iPhone, just follow these easy steps. The first solution is you have to close all heavy apps from your iPhone background. So all you have to need, if you're running multiple heavy apps in your iPhone, just open recents and close all of them, and then just turn off your iPhone. So open Control Center and just tap on this power button and turn off your iPhone for 10 to 20 seconds, and after that you have to turn your iPhone back on and then check the issue. And the next solution is you have to disable background app refresh. To do that, go to your settings app and tap on general. Here scroll down and tap on background app refresh. Tap on background app refresh, and here you have to select off. And after selecting background app refresh off, hope your iPhone lagging or slowing down problem will be fixed now. And if you're still having the same problem, then you have to check for another iOS update. So go to your settings app and tap on general, tap on software update, and if you see any new update available, update the new version, and that's how you will be able to fix the lagging issue on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.